in the last part, now we need to obtain values of C1, C2, C3, C5 till C5. So for that we need these weighting factors which are alphas. So it is better to summarize all the values, especially the non-zero ones. So let us copy this. We need to use it for the evaluation of C's. Okay, so this is non-zero value. Then look for another non-zero value, perhaps. Okay, so that was the first one. Okay, then there is the zero values, we won't be any interested. Okay, so this is 1 alpha 1 comma 2, which is 1/2 value. So paste it. Look for one more. Okay, so there is alpha 2 comma 2, which is 1/2 again. Paste it. Okay, any other values? So this is just copied. Okay, alpha 2 comma 3 is unity again, so let us copy this. Okay, there is for 2 comma 3, that is done. So here it is, alpha 2 comma 4, copy. Okay, so alpha 3 comma 4 is also half value, so we need to copy that. So 3 comma 4, paste it. Then I guess there is one more value. Okay, yes, this is alpha 3 comma 5. Okay, so these 7 values are non-zero values, all other values are 0. So we just need to substitute now these values into expressions of C's. Okay, so let us copy the first equation out of that and substitute the values. So here it is, equation 18, we need to select. Okay, so let us paste it here. Okay, so look for values of these coefficients. Alpha 1 comma 1 is unit value. Okay, we need these B's, so let us copy them, B1, B2, B3. These are vertices which in the expression of C we are going to use, so better is copy them. Okay, so now we have all the coefficients and values which are needed. So C1 is equals to alpha 1 comma 1, which is unit value, times B1 plus alpha 2 comma 1 is not there, so that means it is 0. B2 plus alpha 3 1 is also 0. B3. Okay, so this gives C1. Okay, also note that summation of all the alphas which we have stated in the formulation, comma any particular j has to be unity. So here alpha I comma 1 is unity. Okay, so that gives C1 is equals to B1. So this is the final expression. So that means after not insertion, point 1 is identical to the first vertex given, which is B1. Okay, so let us copy now second expression. Okay, we better copy all of them so that we can substitute the values immediately and we can obtain these coefficients. Okay, so now we already have b's and alphas. Okay, so C2 will be alpha 1 comma 2 is half value b1 plus 2 comma 2 is also half b2, and this is 0 b3. Okay, so that gives half b1. C2 is half b1 plus half b2. So look for these weighting factors. Again, their addition is unity. So C2 comes out to be, let us substitute the values of b1 and b2 as well. So b1 coefficient was given as 0 comma 0. Okay, so plus 1/2 of b2, which is 2 comma 2. So this is 1 1. Okay, after manipulation, first part will be 0, second part will be 1 comma 1. So C2 is 1 comma 1. So that's the final expression of C2. Let us go for C3. Now let us look for these coefficients. First of all, alpha 1 comma 3 is 0. We don't have this value. Similarly, alpha 2 comma 3 is not there. Sorry, it is okay, unit value. Alpha 3 comma 3 is 0. So this comes out to be 1 times b2. So C3 is identical to b2, which is 2 comma 2. Okay, let us go for C4. Now this value alpha 1 comma 4. Okay, before that let us okay, BC C1 is 0 0. Okay, alpha 1 comma 4 is 0, 2 comma 4 is half, and other also has to be half because summation has to be unity. So now C4 is equals to 1/2 of b2 plus 1/2 of b3. So just substitute these values. b2 is 2 2 and b3 is 4 2, I guess. Yes, 4 2. Okay, so first part is 1 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 1. Yes, so this gives C4 is equals to 3 2. X component is added with x, y is added with y. So this is expression D. Okay, now last value, which is of C5. So let us check for alpha coefficients. 1 5 is 0, 2 5 is 0, only 3 5 is present, which is unit value. So these components are 0 0 1. So naturally C5 will be equals to directly B3, so which is 4 comma 2. So C5 is 4 2. Expression E. So let us summarize all the values of C coefficients. C1 is 0 0, summary. C1 0 0. Let's remove this. C2 is 1 1. C3 2 2, and C4 is 3 2 3 2, and C5 is 4 2. So all these are no points which actually are required. Remember, the given points were 3, B1, B2, B3. Now after inserting two knots we have obtained, let us rearrange first of all. Okay, so we have obtained 5 points. Let us try to sketch it. A rough sketch will give us idea about this. So first coefficient of B1, B2, B3 0, 0, 2, 2 and 4, 2. So let us try to mark them. So let this be 0, 0, which is point B1, then 2 and 4 units. Let us say this is 2 units. So this is 2, 2 and 4, 2. Yes, B1, B2 and B3. So these were the points initially given in the problem statement, and we have inserted additional points just to increase the flexibility of the curve. So this is C1, C2 is unity value 1, 1. So this will be additional point in between B1 and B2. Okay, C2, C3 is identical to B2, so that is same location. C4, let us say this is 3 and this is in between B2 and B3, and last is C5. Okay, so now we already have marked these as extra points, C2 and C4, additional not inserted. So let us try to sketch it. Since the order is degrees 1, so it is straight line. Remember, we have said it is just for demonstration purpose. First degree spline actually is not practical, so that's why, since order is 2 degrees 1.